Brad. I'm a student here doing PEO engineering and welding. Right. With this course, your options grow exponentially, really. You can do anything from car mechanics to plant construction to anything day-to-day repairs around the house or car repairs.
My name's Jimmy Brown and I'm the welding lecturer here at Stafford College. The facilities here at Stafford are very good. We've got a guillotine, we've got oxyacetylene, cutting material, oxyacetylene, welding material, a vast range of things we can offer here at the college. I put the lads' names forward, they go and have the interview. If they get the job, they come back here then, and then they're on the road to a proper apprenticeship. You know, at the moment they're doing a full-time PEO course, which means a unit of welding, a unit of fitting, a unit of hand fitting, a unit of machining. I've had 1, 2, 3. I've had about 8 people in the last 2 years. I've found employment from coming here.